parents and my dear students. I, Nandu Kumar Patil, a member of Sports Department, Sanskriti Group of School. Today's program is based on yoga. So first exercise is Surya Namaskar. For this, there are 12 steps in this whole Surya Namaskar, that is 12 asanas. One by one, we are going to do this. So look at me and try to follow me. First, stand straight. First is Namaskar Mudra or Pranamasana. From here, we take our hands up and do Hasta Uttanasana. Make a body arc and look back. Now from here, go down, bend your upper body forward, try to touch the floor. This is Hasta Padasana. Now to Ashwa Sanchalan, take your right leg behind and look up. Ashwa Sanchalanasana, take your both legs, join your both legs and convert to Dandasana. This is the Dandasana. Now convert Dandasana to Ashtangasana. Your 8 parts of the body to touch the floor, both toes, knees, hands, chest and chin. This is Ashtangasana. Now convert Ashtangasana to Bhujangasana. Bend your back, look up, stretch your elbows. This is Bhujangasana. Now convert Bhujangasana to Parvatasana. We will take our hips up and look at our stomach. This is Parvatasana. Now convert this Parvatasana to Ashwa Sanchalan. Take your left leg forward and look up. Ashwa Sanchalan back to Hasta Padasana. Again, Hasta Uttanasana and back to Pranamasana. Here we complete our Surya Namaskar. Ready. Next asana is Vrukshasana. Vruksha means tree. We have to make a tree pose. For this asana, fold your right knee, take your right leg and keep it on your thighs of left leg. Try to balance on whole body on one leg. Slowly join, take your hands up, join your hands. This is a Vrukshasana pose. After some time you have to change your leg. For this again, now take your left leg and keep the leg on your thigh muscle of right leg and join your hands, take them up. Next asana is Tadasana. Again, it's a good exercise of stretching. In this asana, you have to stand straight. Now, slowly take your hands up, push your body up, and raise your heels up. Hold this asana for a given time, and slowly heels down, take your hands down. Okay, side view for this. Now, same again, raise your hands up, take your hands up, push your shoulder up, rise your body up, take your heels up, balance your whole body on your toes. Now slowly, heels down, hands down, relax. Next asana is Trikonasana. For this exercise, open your legs wide up, keep your hands sideward parallel to the ground. Now slowly go right side down, take your right hand along with your head and hold the pose. Now slowly up again. Now go right side down, take your left hand along with your neck. This is the Trikonasana. Slowly up, hands down, stand. Next asana is Ustrasana. For this asana, you have to stand on your knees, keeping your toes straight. Raise your hands, roll and catch your ankles and stretch your back. Drop your neck behind, look back, hold the pose. This is Ustrasana. Slowly up and stand up. Next asana is Padmasana. This asana is a favorite asana of Lord Shiva also. So let us see how to do this asana. First sit down with your legs straight. This is a long sitting position. Now take your right leg and keep it on your left thigh muscles. Now fold your left leg and keep it on your right thigh muscles. Your legs should cross each other on your thighs. Now do the yoga mudra of your hands and keep it on your knees. Keep your back straight, chest up, look front. This is a Padmasana. Release and you have to change your legs. Now I kept my left leg first. Now I will take my left leg first and right leg. You have to interchange your legs after some times. Again, your mudra of hands and sit straight. This is a Padmasana. This was our schedule of Yogasana. In this Surya Namaskar you have to do for 2 repetitions, and rest of all Yogasanas you have to at least hold for 8 to 10 seconds. By doing yoga, we can improve our flexibility, coordination, balance and concentration. So, thank you.